Hello everyone, my name is Diva Samai. Thank you for watching Beauty and Bloom, a beauty segment that airs monthly here on the Capitol View on WDCA Fox 5 Plus. Today's segment will highlight a best-selling body care set from OSEA, indie beauty brand Tevia Rose Products, and of course a wellness tip. So let's jump right into this segment, family. It's going to be fun and fabulous as always. So OSEA is a California-based company, and they've been around in the beauty industry for about 27 years, and they're also leading the beauty industry as being one of the first cruelty-free brands by using organic vegan products that we know of today. So in their best-selling kit, it came with 4 items. Their Salt of the Earth body scrub, the Unradura algae body oil, also a body butter, and their body balm. It's first suggested that you'll start off using the Salt of the Earth body scrub, which again is loaded with seaweed. Seaweed is very good for the body. It comes with nutrients, minerals, and basically this translates into anti-aging and moisturization for the human skin. I used this myself. I absolutely loved it, and you did not need to necessarily follow up with any of the moisturizers if you didn't want to. This is a great product transitioning at the beginning of new season to get rid of the old dead skin cells and to help to rejuvenate and moisturize your skin. Give this a go. So next up on the kit, it's recommended to use the Unradura algae body oil. Unradura is a type of seaweed, but it's really moisturizing and good for the skin. This particular body oil was clinically proven to help instantly moisturize and improve the look of the skin's elasticity. And I really like it also because it has a really nice, light, sweet smell to it, and a little bit goes a long way. Again, this is the OSEA Unradura algae body oil, which was included in their best-selling body kit. Okay, so next up on the list, let's talk about the anti-aging body balm and the body butter, which is super rich, thick, and creamy, if you guys can tell, and a little bit goes a long way. This has a very nice, beautiful, light, scented floral scent to it, and it's actually a 1.7 ounce. This body butter by OSEA was clinically proven to, for age-defying, as an age-defying body butter that nourishes, firms, and delivers up to 72 hours of hydration. It also has the seaweed of Unradura, I think I'm pronouncing that right, into it as well. This is the anti-aging body balm that you can use either on wet or dry skin, and it has the same beautiful light floral scent to it, and a little bit goes a long way. This body balm was used or proven to improve the skin's elasticity and suppleness. I really like both of these products, and I enjoyed the entire kit by OSEA. And I also think that this is a great kit to pamper yourself during the colder months, especially if you don't feel like going outside. Try OSEA's best-selling body care kit. Okay, family, so after you moisturize your skin with OSEA's best-selling body care kit, follow up with the Jasmine Pineapple Scented Lipstick Base and Cuticle Conditioner by Tevia Rose Products. This product is great for the winter months that really help provide nourishment to your lips so they won't get cracked or anything like that. It has jasmine extract, organic honey, and cocoon butter. Visit www.teviarose.com today to receive 15% off at checkout. You'll enjoy this one. And on a final note, family, my wellness tip for you this segment is to simply be present. Be in the moment, put your cell phones away, and just simply enjoy the present moment. Be present. And so there you have it, family, another episode of Beauty and Bloom. Again, my name is Diva Samai. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please stay safe, family, until we see each other again next time. Bye-bye.